Get ready to dive deep into the heart of the planet, into a world teeming with life, mystery, and incredible creatures. Today, we're journeying into the mighty Amazon River, the lifeblood of the largest rainforest on Earth. This isn't just a river. It's a sprawling underwater metropolis, home to some of the most fascinating and bizarre animals you can imagine. Let's start with a true giant, the arrowhead. This is one of the largest freshwater fish in the world, growing up to 10 feet long and weighing over 400 pounds. But what makes the arapaima truly special is its survival skill. The Amazon's water can sometimes be low in oxygen, so this fish has developed a remarkable adaptation. It can breathe air. It has a primitive lung that allows it to surface for a gulp of air, making a distinctive coughing sound that echoes through the rainforest. This ancient fish is a living fossil, swimming in these waters since the time of the dinosaurs. Its large armor-like scales are so tough they can't be penetrated by piranha teeth. Talk about a heavyweight champion. Speaking of piranhas, let's address their notorious reputation. While movies portray them as relentless man-eaters, the reality is a bit more nuanced. There are many species of piranha, and most are actually omnivores, feeding on seeds and fruits that fall into the river, as well as fish and insects. They play a crucial role as the river's cleanup crew, scavenging and keeping the ecosystem healthy. That said, their razor-sharp, interlocking teeth are no joke. They are incredibly efficient feeders, and during the dry season, when food is scarce, they can become more aggressive. But the image of a massive school stripping a large animal to the bone in seconds, that's mostly Hollywood fiction. Now, let S look up from the water's surface to meet a creature that bridges the gap between land and river, the giant otter. These are the social butterflies of the Amazon. Growing up to 6 feet long, they're the longest of all otter species. They live in large, noisy family groups, chattering and whistling to each other as they hunt. They are apex predators, working together with incredible coordination to catch fish, crabs, and even small caimans. Watching a family of giant otters play and hunt is one of the most charismatic sights in the Amazon. Sadly, they are endangered due to habitat loss and historical hunting for their velvety fur, making their protection more critical than ever. But the Amazon holds creatures far more surprising. Have you ever heard of a fish that can produce electricity? Meet the electric eel. Despite its name, it's actually a type of knifefish, not a true eel. This master of electricity can generate shocks of up to 860 volts. It uses low-voltage pulses for navigation and finding prey in the murky water, almost like a biological sonar. When it locates a fish, it unleashes a high-voltage jolt to stun or kill it instantly. This powerful defense mechanism also keeps most predators at bay. It's a truly shocking marvel of evolution, a living battery navigating the dark waters. Of course, we can't talk about the Amazon River without mentioning the reptiles that rule its banks. The black caiman is the largest predator in the entire Amazon ecosystem. These massive crocodilians can reach lengths of over 15 feet. As adults, they are at the very top of the food chain, with no natural predators. They'll eat almost anything they can overpower, from fish and capybaras to monkeys and even anacondas. At night, you can often see their red eyes glowing along the river's edge. A silent, powerful presence that commands respect. Let us dive back under the surface to find a creature that seems to come straight from a fairy tale, the Amazon River dolphin, also known as the boto or pink river dolphin. Yes, they can be pink. Their color can range from gray to a vibrant bubblegum pink, which often becomes more intense when they are excited, according to local legends. These dolphins are shapeshifters that can transform into handsome young men at night to enchant women. In reality, they are incredibly intelligent and curious animals, with a flexible neck that allows them to maneuver through flooded forests. Unlike their ocean-dwelling cousins, their dorsal fin is more of a low ridge, another adaptation for navigating complex, tree-filled waters. Now, let's scale things down and look at something small but mighty, the condibit. This tiny, parasitic catfish has a fearsome and, frankly, terrifying reputation. It's attracted to the ammonia released from the gills of larger fish. It swims into the gills and erects a sharp spine to hold itself in place, feeding on the blood of its host. Stories abound of this fish swimming up the urine stream of humans relieving themselves in the river. But while a few documented cases exist, such incidents are exceptionally rare. Still, it's a chilling reminder of the highly specialized and sometimes startling survival strategies found in the Amazon. Let's not forget the gentle giants, the Amazonian manatees. These shy, slow-moving herbivores are the smallest of the manatee species, but can still weigh over 1,000 pounds. They spend their days grazing on aquatic plants, acting as the river's gardeners and helping to keep waterways cleared. They are perfectly adapted to a fully aquatic life, with paddle-like flippers and a powerful, flat tail. Unfortunately, like the giant otter, they have been hunted extensively and face threats from habitat degradation and accidental collisions with boats. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these peaceful and endearing mammals. The Amazon River is also home to the legendary green anaconda, one of the world's largest snakes. While not the longest, it is the heaviest, a true behemoth of muscle. Anacondas are ambush predators lying in wait in the murky shallows for their prey, capybaras, deer caiman, or anything else they can constrict. They are not venomous. Instead, they wrap their powerful bodies around their victim, squeezing until they can no longer breathe. They can unhinge their jaws to swallow prey much larger than their own head, a feat that allows them to go for weeks or even months without another meal. From the formidable black caiman to the graceful pink river dolphin, from the shocking electric eel to the colossal arapaima, the Amazon River is a world of extremes. Each creature, big or small, plays a vital part in this intricate web of life. It's a delicate balance, one that is increasingly under threat from deforestation, pollution, and climate change. Protecting the Amazon rainforest isn't just about saving trees, it's about preserving this incredible underwater universe and the millions of creatures that call it home. Their world is a testament to the power and creativity of evolution, a place of constant struggle, adaptation, and breathtaking beauty. The next time you think of the Amazon, I hope you'll remember the incredible lives being lived beneath the surface of its powerful, life-giving waters. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the Amazon River. If you were fascinated by these amazing animals, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Let us know in the comments which Amazon creature you find the most interesting. Until next time, stay curious.